to show you how I decorated our fireplace area. You smell it? So this is a new pumpkin that I got from Home Goods, and it was $20. And if you've seen my haul, so these are some extra pumpkins that we had from the year before, and I did a DIY on this last year, but there's no video on that. And here is a pumpkin also from my haul, and this is how everything looks together. Don't mind the wires from the TV. This little pumpkin is also from our haul, and it's really nice. And then when you go down to the floor, we have a so here's this tiered pumpkin sign, and it just says thanks, and I thought it'd be really cute to just wrap some leaves around it. All the leaf garland is from the Dollar Tree, and we just bought different kinds, different colors. So this is one yellow one, and this is a red one, and then this is a mixed colored one. So we wanted a mix of leaves, so we just got a bunch of different leaf garlands. So this like little furry rug is from IKEA, and last year I used it to decorate underneath the tree as a tree skirt, but this year I thought it'd be cute to put it in front of the fire to decorate. And this is an electric fireplace. It is not a real fireplace, so there's no wood or fire in your house, so it's safer, especially for pets. So this is what the whole thing looks like from far. The dogs are really interested in the fur rug. Had to kick them off of it so that way I could decorate, but here it is.